What if I told you that you could manifest your dream life faster than you ever imagined? Most people are stuck waiting for their manifestations. But today, I'm revealing the secrets to speed up the process so you can attract wealth, success, love, and happiness effortlessly. Stay till the end because I'm going to share the number one mistake that blocks your manifestations and a powerful method that works like magic. Comment I am ready if you're serious about manifesting your dream life. The universe is always responding to your energy. The reason most people struggle with manifestation is because they're unknowingly blocking it. Here's how to instantly shift into the receiving mode. 1. Gratitude frequency. Start each morning by feeling grateful as if your dreams have already come true. Gratitude is a magnet for abundance. 2. Detach from need energy. If you're desperate for something, you're actually pushing it away. Instead, feel as if you already have it. 3. Use I am affirmations. Say this with me. I am living my dream life now. Everything I desire flows to me effortlessly. The more you feel it, the faster you receive it. The secret to fast manifestation is to tap into the quantum field, where everything you desire already exists. How to activate it? Visualize with emotion. Don't just see it, feel it. Imagine the joy, the excitement, the gratitude as if you already have your dream life. Use scripting. Write a letter from your future self, describing how amazing your life is now. Speak in the present tense. Say, I am wealthy, I am successful, I am in my dream reality now. The more you align your thoughts, feelings, and words with what you want, the faster it manifests. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your reality. If you don't reprogram it, you'll stay stuck in old patterns. Fast reprogramming methods. Listen to subliminal affirmations. While sleeping, surround yourself with high-vibe people and content. Replace negative thoughts immediately. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between real and imagined, so make sure it only sees success. The number one reason people fail at manifestation? They constantly check for results and doubt the process. If you're always asking, where's my manifestation? You're keeping it away. Instead, trust the process. Let go. Know it's already yours. Because it is. Before we wrap up, here's a simple yet powerful technique that works fast. The living in the end technique. Every morning, visualize and feel your dream life as if it's already happening. Throughout the day, act as if you already have it. At night, fall asleep in the feeling of it is done. This video is sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. Your new reality is being created right now. Are you ready to manifest your dream reality? If so, type I am ready in the comments now. Like this video if you're serious about manifesting. Subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly manifestation hacks. Share this with someone who needs this powerful knowledge. Your dream life is waiting for you. It's time to claim it.